What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Tankman from Friday Night Funkin. Let's get started at the top of our page with the top edge of the visor. So we start on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up. Just going to raise this up a little bit higher on the right side. Let's go back to the left, draw a straight angled line coming down towards the bottom of the visor. And then on the right side, we're just going to bend this out, going out and then in. Let's pull this in towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. We'll start on the left, go up in an angle, go to the right, come down. And then from the inside, we'll draw a short angle line coming up and in. Close off the top with a straight line. Let's move down and draw the bottom of the face. Starting over on the left, curve this down and then in. Then over on the right, curve this down and in. Connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's move to the center and add in the mouth. Starting over on the left, draw a straight line going across, go back to the left side, angle down and out. Let's round up the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Close off the end with a straight line. Now from the top, we're going to step in, draw another line, fill that outside area in black, and then halfway down this line, we're going to draw a short line coming in. Let's add in the bottom lip. Starting back over on the left, just going to curve this down and then up. Now we're going to draw the outside perimeter of the head. From the top corner of the visor, we're going to step in, curve the head going up, and then in. That's going to round out the top of the head, going up, and then we'll bend that down on the left side. Let's pull this down towards the side of the head, going out and then down. Draw a short line going out towards the side. And then we'll round up the side of the head, going out and then pulling that in. Let's draw a straight line coming in and then go straight down towards the jaw. Let's go over towards the right side, step in, draw a short line coming down, come in with a short line, and then down towards the bottom of the chin. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve and bring this down underneath the head and back up on the right. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start over on the left side. Start with a straight line coming all the way down towards the hip. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle and then bend that back up. Let's go up to the top and draw on the collar. On the left, draw a short line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Connect the ends with a curve. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw on the shoulder. From the bottom corner of the jaw, we're going to step in, draw a short angle line, and then come down with a short line. I'm going to round up the arm socket, coming in and then down. From the bottom, draw a short line coming in, angle this up and in towards the side of the body. And now we're going to draw on the arm. Starting from the bottom of the shoulder, angle this down and out towards the elbow, come down and in towards the wrist. Now we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb. We go up, bend that down, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in the fingers. From the inside of the thumb, draw a short angle line coming down and in. Round up the knuckle, coming out and down. Add another curve, coming down and out. I'll do that one more time. Let's go back up to the outside of the shoulder, angle down and out. Draw a short angle line going up. And we round up the side of the arm, going out and then down. Come down and in. Draw a short line going out. And we'll connect the outside of the elbow to the bottom of the hand with a curve, coming down and bending that in. Let's add those symbols on the side of the arm. From this point, we're going to step up, angle up, come down, flatten off the end, and it'll trace this back along the top, going up and then out. Let's add one more. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw a short line coming in, go up towards the top, and pull that out. Let's draw the inside edge of the legs. From the hip, we're going to step down and add a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. And then from the ends, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left and right side. And from the bottom, draw a short angle line coming down and in. And then from here, we're just going to angle this down and out towards the ankle. And draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the heel. Let's round out the inside edge of the feet. Starting back on the left, curve down and then out on both sides. Round out the front of the foot, going out and then up. Just flatten off the front of the foot, going up with a straight line. And we'll curve the top of the foot, going up and in. Let's draw the outside of the leg. Starting on the left, angle up and in. Draw a short angle line coming in toward the top of the boot. And then on the left side, we're going to pull the leg going up underneath the hand and then just connect with the hip. Let's go back over towards the right hip, draw a straight line coming down, go out with a short line. I'm just going to curve this down and then out on top of the boot. Now I'm going to draw a large circle for the mic on the right side. Starting up here, go all the way around toward the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. And I'll add that texture inside the mic. Starting from the very top, come down, and then up, step down, draw another one, and then one more along the bottom. And I'll add some lines coming down across the mic. Starting from the very top, bend this out towards the right, and then down. Go back up to the top, bend this in, and then out. We'll add one more on the right side, going out, and then down. Let's add the edge of the mic along the bottom. Starting on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers around the inside. Starting underneath the mic, come down and bend that out, come back in, come around, and then out. And we'll do that one more time. Just going to pull the hand going out towards the knuckle. Let's work our way back up towards the mic. From here, curve up and in, round up the second knuckle, go out and up, come up and in behind the mic. Let's go back to the inside and draw on the thumb. Starting from the inside of the mic, curve this in and then out, flatten off the thumb, go out and up in behind the hand. Now let's draw the top of the arm. From the top of the body, angle down and out, come down and in, go back down and out. Let's move down towards the side of the body, come down and out. And it's going to round out the bottom of the arm, coming down underneath the thumb, go back out in behind the hand. And that's pretty much it. There's Tankman from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.